Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be addressing this particular question: why accelerometers are preferred for vibration measurements. So if you are a practicing engineer, you might have come across n number of situations where accelerometers will be mounted on the test article as shown over here to measure the vibration response. So, what are the other kinds of transducers we have out there? We have vibration transducers called vibrometers, and we have displacement transducers, sometimes called as seismometers as well. But why accelerometers are preferred for vibration measurements? So we will look into that in this video. So going ahead, the first and the foremost reason is that accelerometers are much smaller physically. You like things when they are small in size. Why accelerometers are much smaller in size? Because they are high frequency equipments. When natural frequency is very high, then we need to bring down the mass substantially. So that's one reason why accelerometers are much smaller physically, and that makes it lot more convenient for the instrumentation engineer to mount them, to handle them, and everything becomes a lot more easier. Next point, frequency and dynamic ranges are wider. So let's say, what's the minimum and maximum frequency range you can use a particular accelerometer? That particular range is wider. Similarly, what is the maximum values of acceleration that I can measure using an accelerometer? That is also wide. That range is wider. That's another reason why we use accelerometers over velocity transducers and seismometers. The other reason is acceleration signal can be easily integrated electronically to obtain velocity and displacement. So I just remind you the whole our high school equations. Acceleration is nothing but first derivative of velocity, and velocity is nothing but first derivative of displacement, whereas is displacement. So if you measure acceleration, you can come back to velocity by performing an integration, and then you can compute back your displacement by integrating the velocity. And moreover, electronic differentiation used with velocity and displacement transducers is more complex. So these are the three reasons why accelerometers are more common compared to a seismometer or a velocity pickup. So I hope that answers the question. Thanks for watching.